Let me get away, read a book, light a J, kick back and just chill next to these ocean waves. Let me breathe, hit the road and get away. Take a day to contemplate if I'm okay. Digest the stress, I've been pressed. Let me chill up on this beach where these old folks stay. My head has been a mess, I need to decompress. Close my eyes, I see the world through these opaque shades. And take some time to sleep, days done blaze one until my brain feels amazing. Stay under the sun until my whole complexion is somewhere between Italian and Asian. Is that politically correct? I don't know these days. Just wanna chill a certain way until my skin's a certain shade. That's all I'm trying to say, fuck it, I need to get away somewhere they don't know me and I can just stay. I wanna kick it by the beach with a bottle of Bombay, roll J's and get blazed by these ocean waves. Kick it by the beach with a bottle of Bombay, roll J's and get blazed by these ocean waves. Bombay bottles are hollow, I still roll, get blazed, yada yada, how this thing goes. Bombay bottles are hollow, I still roll, get blazed, yada yada, how this thing goes. You can call this bitch a breather, even though it's that sativa. Kicking back and pass it over to a couple low geezers, owning places on the keys or over in Lake Geneva, anywhere there's sand. I'm like, yo, my man, I wanna kick it in the climate where the sun is always shining, either stateside or where there's equatorial alignment. Kick it with the lady who's the finest smoking wine, and I'm allowed to speak my mind without explaining what I meant. I wanna kick it in the shade with a babe, catching rays without a thought about the bills being paid. I wanna stay on the days until I'm turning old and gray, drinking umbrella drinks until I slowly fade away. A life stress-free, just sex and jet skis, palm trees and just peace in a city that's just beach, no loans and no lease. I'll pitch a tent on the coast, roasting H-Town blunt in the water and just blow. I wanna kick it by the beach with a bottle of Bombay, roll J's and get blazed by these ocean waves. Kick it by the beach with a bottle of Bombay, roll J's and get blazed by these ocean waves. Bombay bottles are hollow, I still roll, get blazed, yada yada, how this thing goes. Bombay bottles are hollow, I still roll, get blazed, yada yada, how this thing goes. I wanna kick it by the beach with a bottle of Bombay, roll J's and get blazed by these ocean waves. Kick it by the beach with a bottle of Bombay, roll J's and get blazed by these ocean waves. Bombay bottles are hollow, I still roll, get blazed, yada yada, how this thing goes. Bombay bottles are hollow, I still roll, get blazed, yada yada, how this